So friends, I had already connected this hard drive directly to the computer, but I wasn't getting any results as you saw in the previous video. I had already connected this hard drive directly to the computer, but I wasn't getting any results as you saw in the previous video. I had already connected this hard drive directly to the computer, but I wasn't getting any results as you saw in the previous video. It doesn't even let the studio open. There was a similar problem with this one, and I'll show you how I recovered the data using RapidSpar. I'm going to explain the entire process in this video today. I'm going to explain it to you. So friends, while the text is being written, I'm skipping the video and I'll read and explain everything to you at once so that your time isn't wasted and we can understand everything properly. So friends, I have currently connected a 500 GB Seagate drive. Direct when I connected it to the computer, it wasn't detected, but when I checked in my computer on the PC, it was visible. So I tried to open it with RStudio software. But it wouldn't let RStudio open and would hang the PC. If you encounter this kind of problem, you need to understand that there are bad sectors on the hard drive, and you will need some hardware tool for that. Okay? It could be RapidSpar, or MRT, or DFL Dolphin or Stabilizer. Depending on the type of hard drive, you can use that hardware tool. Okay friends, so from there, we move on. We go to RapidSpar, meaning I opened that same hard drive directly on the PC. I directly installed the one that wouldn't let me do it in RapidSpar, and let's see how it recovers the data with just one click. I have installed it inside the RapidSpar hardware, the hard drive, the target drive is in front. I have installed the target drive and I'm powering it on. And after powering it on, we'll see the result. I powered it on. I created a new project. Okay friends, as soon as I created a new project and proceeded, here you can see that the entire 500 GB hard drive has been detected. The serial number, model number, everything is displayed correctly, meaning that this, yes, it's a hardware specialty. So the device that doesn't allow the drive to be opened directly inside the computer, you connect it to the hardware, and then it shows you the data. I'm skipping parts of the video. If the drive is connected to the recovery software, then the partition is okay. So as you can see, let me show you again. These partitions are visible. After that, we have to click on those partitions. Okay, that means we have to double click on the partition that we want to open so that we can see the real partition there, the virtual partition. Partition, we will get to see it. That is, this is the specialty of our studio. When we connect with it, we immediately get to see the data in this kind of case. Our studio is a very superior data recovery tool, which especially in cases of bad sectors etc. saves us a lot of time and helps us successfully recover the data. You can see the other partition in this way as well. All the partitions have opened successfully, they are opening. Please note, RapidSpar does not repair firmware, but it works very well for cloning and direct data extraction. It works very efficiently, saving a lot of time and working very smartly. I have seen many times that other tools have a lot of problems doing the work, but this tool recovers the data for you with a single click. Here you have 3 options available to select for data recovery. You just have to simply select the open location and click, and it will automatically start recovering the data. You can recover data in such a simple way, and it includes bet there are problems with shaking, etc. And if you want to do full data recovery, if you want to learn it completely, you can join us, and you can do data recovery very well. We have 3 modes available in our training, which include a video mode, an offline mode, and live training. We provide thorough training on MRT, DFL, RapidSpar, Stabilizer, and every tool. Okay? Many people have come to us who had already purchased MRT from another place and went there for training. But after being unsuccessful there, they came to us a year later. And now they are doing data recovery very well. So any student who has any hardware available can also contact us. He can do it, and in a very short time, we are also going to launch the MRT video course. Perhaps you will see the upcoming videos within the MRT course as well, and the entire video course is almost finished. We will launch it very soon. We already have the DFL video course, where we have explained each topic very well. So those who have DFL can also join the course, and those who have MRT can also join the course. And for the RapidSpar stabilizer, we already have free videos on YouTube. We have covered every single point in great detail. And we have covered the entire course in our mother tongue Hindi, so that even someone who is not highly educated can work very well. I myself haven't studied that much. If I tell you, I'm only a 12th grade dropout, but I'm working in this field based on my interests. So it's possible that if you're taught in your mother tongue, you can understand everything point by point and there's no rocket science involved. Just understanding it well once can be very beneficial for you. Thank you very much.